Netbird is more of one of those virtual private networks. If you're trying to go for like zero interaction, like zero data save, basically what I'm saying is Netbird is more open source. Like it doesn't need a firewall, it doesn't need a private network. It can just like go over databases, the standards that are currently set on your computer. It can just like almost override them, but in an extremely safe way. Just like it's extremely easy to set up. And Netbird's genuinely better if you are just scaling like a bigger team. Now you can use it for like any of them, but the main difference between tailscale is tailscale leans towards functionality with ACL sync, but Netbird emphasizes but Netbird emphasizes user experience and minimal, configuration. So it's basically just really easy to use. They're both really good options, honestly. I honestly recommend just trying out the free trial for both of them and seeing which one you like better. But Netbird is just extremely open source. It's just extremely easy to set up and yeah, just like creating your own virtual private networks. But yeah, again, I just recommend checking both of them out and let me know what y'all think in the comments.